Planting seeds directly into the garden isn't difficult, but today I'm going to show you some tips to make that work even easier and increase the chances of your seed starting success. Now, anytime you can plant seeds directly into the ground, you're going to save yourself a lot of time. But how do you know what seeds perform best when you sow them directly into the ground? Well, that information is on the back of the seed pack, along with information like how far apart to space the seeds and the rows. Now, right now, it's midsummer and the classic crops are in full swing. But I want a fall crop of beans, and so I'm going to plant those now. And one of my favorite tools for that when I'm out in the garden is this planting stick. And I put that where I want the row. I get my trowel and I just draw a line along the edge. I also have it notched out so I know how far apart to do my spacing. So I really love this tool. So I'm going to go ahead and plant a couple rows right now. Okay, the seeds are in place and now I just need to cover them up, and I could do that with the compost that I put down here, no problem. That would be fine. But I've learned a trick that I've had great success with, and that is to cover the seeds with a soilless seed starting mix. And there's a couple advantages to that. For those tender seedlings, it really helps because it's so lightweight that the seedlings have no problem pushing through, and some heavy soil might encumber that germination. But it also is designed to hold a lot of moisture, and that's really important as seeds try to germinate. And then the other thing is, once I put the soilless mix down, I'm able to see it more clearly, so I know exactly where my seeds are. Okay, the soilless mix is down, and now it's a matter of just lightly tamping it in, and I can use the board for that as well. Okay, I'll add a little water, and in probably about 5 days for these bean seeds, I should see some sprouts.